Hi, I'm Dave, this is Jennychem. This is an extremely dirty Range Rover, and today we're going to give it a clean using Jennychem products. As you can see, it has sat for a very, very long time. It has a lot of build-up of traffic film, a lot of mould, a lot of dirt and grime. So first we're going to get into the wheels, because they're always the dirtiest. So the first thing we're going to do is going to jet wash the wheels off, get the excess dirt off the wheel before we start giving them a deep clean. Okay guys, so the wheels are going to be cleaned with the non-caustic alloy wheel cleaner. This is a very good product, heavily soiled. You can dilute this to 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 if you're just using it on light use. And then we're going to use a little bit of iron fallout remover. This is the Iron X that Jennychem sell. Fantastic product. You'll start seeing the carbon fall off in the red blood sort of streak. Okay, so let's get into it. So as you can see, this wheel is very corroded and missing a bit of paint on it. All these black bits are where all the carbon has bedded into the paint and eroded it over time. Obviously, so we're not going to get this wheel as clean as we need to, but we'll probably give it another going over just to get the last of the dirt off. We're going to have to give this one another go. However, the one-stage process is normally best. Okay guys, now we've cleaned the wheels, we're going to jet wash the car off, try and get this body looking a bit better. Okay guys, so now we've jet washed the car off, we're now going to go over it with the Maximove snow foam. Okay, as you can see, there is still a lot of dirt and grime on the vehicle, so this is a caustic snow foam to try and eat into that dirt and grime. Okay, this can be diluted 1 to 4. Okay, so let's get the snow foam on and see where we get to. Okay guys, now the snow foam's on the car, leave it to dwell for 3 to 5 minutes, just so it eats into that dirt and grime. Okay guys, so now we've got the jet wash done with the snow foam, we're going to do our contact wash. This is Jennychem's wash and wax shampoo. This can be diluted up to 1 to 50. So you're going to get 50 litres out of 1 litre. Okay, so now we've washed the car with the wash and wax. While the car's still wet, we're going to use the Sapphire Super. This is a rinse aid that is going to help prevent dry watermarks on the vehicle. Okay, we're going to apply this through a spray bottle and then we're going to dry it with a drying towel. It will leave a high gloss finish afterwards. Now we've dried the car with the Sapphire rinse aid. Normally it would come up with a high gloss finish, but the paintwork on this car is so bad and heavily scratched, it's not giving that effect. However, as you look around the car, we have got rid of most of the dirt and grime, and it has come back to a certain level better than what it was before. So now we've dried the vehicle, we're just going to finish it off with the long life tyre shine from Jennychem. Now this is a fantastic product, it is long life, it's going to leave the shine on the tyre for at least a week. As you can see, not a lot was used, very minimal amount is needed, leaving the shine with a high gloss finish.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as it really helps the channel out. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the new content that we have coming out. And thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.